Hello everyone, welcome to the introduction video of Professional Ethics. I am Kevin Thomas, Department of Mechanical Engineering Automobile, SNIT Adur. Before we begin this class, I am going to discuss why this topic included in K2 syllabus. Several notorious cases that have received a great deal of media attention in the past few years have led engineers to gain an increased sense of their professional responsibilities. These cases have led to an awareness of the importance of ethics within the engineering profession as engineers realize how their technical work has far-reaching the impact on society. The work of engineers can affect public health and safety and can influence business practices and even politics. This course will develop a framework on which professional and ethical issues can be analyzed and build up an awareness of various views of ethical issues as well as professional ethical rights and responsibilities. The study of professional ethics will help you to make good decisions in your career. These are the course outcomes which is included in the syllabus. You can see this course outcome in your professional ethics syllabus. In the first module, we will see these things, that is morals, values, ethics, integrity, academic integrity, work ethics, service learning, expectations, respect for others, living peacefully, caring and sharing, honesty, courage, cooperation, commitment, empathy and self-confidence. These are the reference for further study. You can use Central Library of SNIT for taking books for your reference. The word ethics originates from Greek word ethos, meaning character. Ethics are a set of rules or principles that are generally considered as standards or good and bad or right and wrong, which are usually imposed by an external group or a society or a profession or so. Ethics can be understood as the rules of conduct proposed by a society or recognized concerning a particular class of human actions or a particular group of culture. Now we can see why ethics is an important factor. To take a good decision, we should know what is ethics. Ethics is our means of deciding a course of action. Understanding ethics can help people decide what to do when they have choices. Now we discuss the profession. What do you mean by a profession? First, we should know all professions are occupations, but not all occupations are professions. Any type of work that needs special training or a particular skill, often one that is respected because it involves a high level of education. Teacher, engineer, doctor, accountant, technician, lawyer, psychologist, pharmacist, dietitian, mechanic, dentist, electrician are some examples of professionals. This is our end of this section. Thank you.